Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Binance in the banned region. So go to search up Binance. If you don't already have an account, just press sign up. And wait, okay, you see this right here? Your IP indicates that you're attempting to access our service from a restricted area. You're gonna need go to Chrome Web Store, search up Touch VPN. You see, I already have it installed, so you're gonna want to add this to your Chrome. Okay, and wait, I'm gonna wait, I need to turn it on. So you see here, so you're gonna have to turn it on. Go to let's say go to the press United Kingdom and connect. Okay, once it's connected, refresh, and now you see the pop-up isn't coming no more. So you're just gonna sign in normally now. Wait, let me sign in. And look, now you see here I'm logged in, and you could send money from here, and you could buy stocks and stuff. See you guys in another video.